welcome to Art with Bianca. Happy Tutorial Tuesday. Today I wanted to show you how to do a Flipcup acrylic pour painting. I'm starting with neon pink, going to neon purple, titanium white, seafoam green, and black. And today I wanted to try some silicone. Flipcup is the best starter to acrylic pouring. If you've never done it before, I definitely suggest doing Flipcup. This is actually one of my first ever acrylic pour paintings. This type of painting really only takes 15 minutes, so if you have kids, you can do it while they nap. If you don't want to get any paint on your hands, definitely use gloves. Thanks for watching Art with Bianca. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends.